Hello everyone. Welcome to TechMaster YouTube channel. I'm passionate about technology and I love sharing my knowledge with others. I hope you'll enjoy my videos and learn something new. So subscribe and join us on our journey into the world of tech. Now let's go to this video. The iPhone 16 series is expected to be released in September 2024, and it is rumored to be a major upgrade over the current iPhone lineup. Here are some of the rumored features of the iPhone 16 series. New design. The iPhone 16 is rumored to have a new design with a pill-shaped cutout for the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. This would be a major change from the current design, which has a notch for the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. The pill-shaped cutout would be similar to the design of the iPad Pro, and it would allow for more screen space. New chip. The iPhone 16 is expected to have a new A17 Bionic chip, which will be faster and more powerful than the A16 Bionic chip in the iPhone 15. The A17 Bionic chip is rumored to be based on a new 5nm process, and it could include new AI and machine learning capabilities. Better camera. The iPhone 16 is rumored to have a better camera system, with a larger main sensor and a new telephoto lens. This would be a major improvement over the current camera system, which is already one of the best on the market. The iPhone 16 is also rumored to have a new cinematic mode, which would allow users to record videos with a shallow depth of field. Portless design. There is some speculation that the iPhone 16 could have a portless design, meaning that it would not have a lightning port or a headphone jack. This would be a major change, but it would also be in line with Apple's recent efforts to move away from ports. Apple has already released a portless version of the iPad Air, and it is possible that the iPhone 16 could be the next device to get the portless treatment. Faster charging. The iPhone 16 is rumored to have faster charging capabilities. This could be achieved through a faster charging brick or through a new type of battery. Faster charging would be a welcome addition to the iPhone lineup, as the current charging speeds are relatively slow. New software features. The iPhone 16 is expected to come with new software features, such as a new version of iOS. These new software features could include improvements to the camera, the battery life, and the overall user experience. Of course, these are just rumors and speculation. We won't know for sure what the iPhone 16 series will include until Apple announces it. But based on the rumors, it seems like the iPhone 16 could be a major upgrade over the current iPhone lineup. In addition to the rumored features mentioned above, there are a few other things that we might see in the iPhone 16 series. For example, some analysts believe that the iPhone 16 could have a foldable display. This would be a major departure from the current iPhone design, but it would also be a very innovative feature. Another possibility is that the iPhone 16 could have a built-in lidar scanner. This would allow for more accurate augmented reality experiences. Overall, the iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be a major upgrade over the current iPhone lineup. With new features, a new design, and a faster chip, the iPhone 16 could be the best iPhone yet. We will just have to wait and see what Apple announces in September 2024. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think.